That IT is also holding up pretty well. So the Nifty IT index is a gain of nearly 1%. Now, Motilal Oswal has come out with a note where they're saying the IT services sector could be on the cusp of recovery after a long period of discretionary spending cuts. So they've analyzed the health of the global economy, the impact of GCCs on IT services company, how generative AI will play out. And based on all that, they've come out with a framework where they're, giving marks to each of these individual points. And these are the top picks. It's HCLTech, LTIMindtree, Persistent, and on Coforge, it's an upgrade. The earlier target price was 6,100. Now it stands at 8,100, and it's an upgrade to buy. They do not have a sell call on any of the IT companies. The other buys include TCS, Infy, L&T Technology Services, and Cyient. The other neutral calls for Motilal Oswal include Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Mphasis, and Zensar. No sell calls. Now, amongst the individual sectors, they're saying healthcare, manufacturing, and BFSI are the three verticals which will lead the recovery. So for healthcare in particular, the negative impact of the rise of GCCs in India, the captive centers, is very less. And therefore, healthcare is insulated, unlike, say, other sectors like BFSI. Now, BFS, Banking Financial Services, will benefit as US cuts interest rates. But part of it is going to be offset by the rise of GCC. So healthcare, manufacturing, and BFSI are the three sectors leading the global recovery for IT companies. Now, why the four companies that Motilal Oswal has spoken? So one, HCLTech, amongst many other things, has a higher exposure to healthcare. For LTIMindtree, they're saying the company, again, BFSI exposure is there, but the company has strong capabilities in data engineering, which positions it well to capture the pre-generative AI spending. Persistent has a strong presence and exposure to high-growth verticals like healthcare and BFS. And according to Motilal Oswal, Persistent's EPS revenue growth could be 21%, though valuations are at a premium level. And Coforge's upgrade is based on a valuation multiple re-rating. They also expect margins to go up, but now they're valuing Coforge at 38 times forward multiple.
Most brokers are now overweight, right, IT? Or is it, I mean, it's no longer a, sort of anti-concept.
In the last 3 months, we've seen a lot of them have turned.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, so that's Motilal's call on IT sector.